The right sound can emphasize the visual. All right. And before you lose interest, just look at this right here. All right, let's say we need to get a shot of grabbing that knife off of there right there. Instead of being down here, you move your camera right there and say, look, all right, we're going to cut to this right there. And then, show. Let's get a backup take up there. All right, let's get maybe one more. Now here's what it looks like with some sound to it. A lot of times, video makers, people like to concentrate on getting good quality video, best we can, visual, and we oftentimes neglect the sound right there. Now, if you go back and study in a Star Trek film, you will know exactly what George Lucas is talking about.